everyone. Good morning. Thank you for joining in. Hopefully you all are ready for today's yoga session. Just keep taking natural breathing and settle yourself. Sit in any comfortable position where your back and neck must be straight. Roll up your shoulders and just relax them. Place your palms in Atmanjali Mudra in Namaskar Mudra like this. Fingers must be well spreaded and your thumb is just next to your chest. Keep taking natural breathings. Close your eyes slowly and gently. With each inhalation, prepare yourself for today's yoga practice mentally and physically. If any thoughts and worries are coming into your mind, let it go out through exhalation. Inhale, relax yourself. Exhale, relax yourself. Inhale. With closed eyes, observe your body. Feel, note mentally how you are feeling right now before starting the session. Exhale and relax yourself. Inhale. Make an intention that throughout the practice I'll be aware about my body movement, body postures and breathing. I'll keep observing the movement of body and the breathing, inhalation and exhalation throughout the practice. Make this intention. Exhale and relax yourself. Inhale. Exhale. With 3 Om chanting and Gayatri Mantra, we'll start today's session. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Inhale. We'll start with the Gayatri Mantra. Inhale. Om Bhuvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Namah Prachodayam. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Bring your both the palms in front of your face. While looking at your palms, open your eyes slowly and gently. Today we'll conduct the asanas for the leg strengthening from hip to toe. The entire we'll work on the all the muscles from hip to toe, and it also help to tone up your this lower body postures and strengthen your muscles. Also, if anyone having the fat over the hips and the thigh area, it helps to reduce that. This asana is good for the digestive system also because a little pressure goes to on lower abdominal, which help for the digestive system as well. Anyone can perform this asanas where some special restriction would be suggested. I'll let you know during the asana. Otherwise, everyone can perform this asana. So, and this asana, while practicing this asana itself very energetic. So we don't need the special warm up while practicing this asana. So directly we'll start with the asana series. Just have a look how to perform these asanas. Before starting the session, I request everyone to switch on their videos so that I can see them. Very nice. Have a look and then together we'll perform. We have to lie down on your yoga mat on your back. Slowly and gently. Like this. Your feet are together. Your palms are just beside to your body. Palms are facing down. Your head, your stomach, your feet must be in line. Now from here we'll perform the Padottanasana. In Padottanasana we'll do the 4 variation of the Padottanasana. So first we'll start with the one foot. You have to raise your right foot as much as you can do. Okay? As much as if you are able to comfortable with this, do that much. If you are comfortable with this, do that. Wherever you are comfortable, we have to hold that posture for next 30 seconds. So let's start together. Lie down on your yoga mats. Your toes, your stomach, neck, head must be in line. Your palms are just next to your body. During the entire practice, ensure your pelvic area must be tucked in and breathing from chest will continue. Whenever I say normal breathing, it means during the practice, your pelvic area must be tucked in and breathing from chest will continue. So from here, tucked in your pelvic area, inhale and raise your leg, right leg as much as you can do. While practicing this, ensure your left leg must be on floor only. It should not be bended. It should be straight only. Hold wherever you are comfortable for 30 seconds. Your feet must remain there only. Let's start. 1, 2. Continue with this self-practice, self-counting. The people who are unable to hold, they can take a support of your palms below the lower back. Like this also they can hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. Now we'll repeat same from the left leg. Go slowly. Place your right foot on floor and raise your left leg as much as you can do. Very nice. While practicing this, your right foot must be on floor. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Go slowly. Take 3 natural breathings. From there, we'll go to the variation 2. Have a look how to perform, then together we'll perform. From here, we have to raise our feet, both the legs together for 30 degrees. While rising up to 30 degree, you won't be able to see your toes. The toes would not be visible. If toes are visible, bring your feet a little lower, because your toes must not be visible to you. You'll feel a complete stretch on your lower abdominal. Okay, so let's start together. The other people can take a support of your palms. You can place your palms below your lower back and then can rise your feet. But ensure in 30 degree, your toes must be not visible. So you guys are ready? Let's start together. Settle yourself. Place your palms if you want to below your lower back, or you can place it next to body. Pelvic area tucked in. Inhale and rise your legs. Very nice. Hold this posture for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Your feet must be straight from knee. 8, 9, 10. Your toes should not be visible from your eyes. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 seconds more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both the feet together. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And relax yourself. Take 3 natural breathings and have a look for the next asana. From here, we'll go to 45 to 60 degree, like this. If anyone having the severe back issue or the sciatica or slip disc, the severe issue means you are in pain right now or the high blood pressure, they are requested to do it carefully. Don't hold for 30 seconds in continuation. They can take a gap of 10 seconds, then take natural breathings, then again join it. Remaining people can continue with me. Pelvic area tucked in. Breathing from chest will continue. You can place your palms below your lower back or just beside to your body, in whatever position you are comfortable. Now inhale and rise your both the legs together. While rising up, ensure your knees must be straight and soft. Hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Go slowly. Place your both the feet together on floor. Slowly. This we did for the 90 degree angle, and from here now we'll go to 45 to 60 degree. Again, inhale the same process. Inhale, place your palms below your lower back or inside of your body. Pelvic area tucked in. Normal breathing, chest breathing will continue. 45 to 60. In 45 to 60, you will be able to see your toes and hold here. Ensure that your feet must not be like this. They must be straight. Your knees must be soft. However, your feet must be straight. And both the feet together, it should not be like this. Okay? Just try. Even if you are not able to do, try for 5 seconds. 10 seconds. This is how your legs will get stronger. Okay, so let's start together. Pelvic area tucked in. Place your palms wherever you are comfortable. Chest breathing will continue. Inhale and hold to 45 to 60 degree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 seconds more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Take 3 natural breathings. You can shake your legs if you want. Stretch your feet, toes, forward stretching, then backward stretching for your toes. While forward stretching, do the inhalation. Backward stretching, exhale. Do for 3 rounds. Relax. You can continue it or take a look for the next asana. In the Path Chakrasana, in the same asana, you will be lying down in the same posture. Now from here, you will raise your right leg like this and you will make a circle. A big circle, 30 rounds clockwise, 30 rounds anti-clockwise. Ensure while performing, making this circle, your right toe, once you rise up your right foot, it should not come back to the floor. Take a look from the right leg. Like I'm making a circle, but while coming down, it will not touch to the floor. It will be above the floor only. Your right foot must be active. The other foot must be active. You have to make a big circle as much as you can. While going upside, stretch your complete leg. Okay, so let's start together. Again, place your palms wherever you are comfortable. If you want to take a support of your palms, you can place it to below your lower back or beside your body. Inhale, pelvic area tucked in, chest breathing will continue. Risen up your right leg and make a big circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, very nice. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Your left foot must be active. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. While rotating your leg, you have to come down also. Not like this. You don't have to do like this. You have to make a big circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Now from here we'll do the left leg. Start clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And relax. Now from here we'll do the anti-clockwise. Start with your right leg. Rise your right leg and make a anti-clockwise circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very nice. 6. Very nice. Keep doing. 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2. Ensure while making a circle, your feet must be straight. It should not be bent like this. Your circle should not be like this. Your entire feet must be straight. 10 rounds more. 1. As I'm able to see, many of people are doing like this. No, this is not the perfect way. Your entire feet must be straight from knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Your left foot must be active. 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. We'll repeat same from the left leg. Raise your left leg and make an anti-clockwise circle. 1, 2, 3. Very nice. 4, 5. Right foot must be active. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 rounds more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Very nice. Again, you can stretch your toes. Backward movement, forward movement. Do 3 rounds, take 3 natural breathings, and get ready for next asana. Normalize your breathing and have a look for the next asana. From here, we'll perform the Pada Sanchalana. Okay, for Pada Sanchalana, again your hand posture would be same. The additional benefit for the Pada Sanchalana is that it is good for knees also. So if anyone having the knee issue or knee stiffness, they can perform this asana. It is very good for them also. The remaining benefits are same. However, the additional benefit of the Pada Sanchalana is it is good for the knees also. Apart than that, again, if anyone having the severe issue of the back, like the slip disc or the sciatica or the any BP related issue, high blood pressure, they are requested to do it carefully. Okay. Again, place your palms. Have a look. Place your palms just next to your body or the below your lower back. Your feet must be straight. We'll start with the one leg, then both the legs together. So we are starting with the one leg, right leg. We'll rise it, bring your knee close to your chest area, and we'll make a like this. The way we do cycling. 1, 2, 3. Ensure while stretching your complete feet gets stretched. It should not be like this. We should not do like this. While going, stretch your complete feet. The way in cycling we stretch our complete feet, right? So in the same manner we have to do. And while coming up, bring it close to your chest as much as you can. Okay, so let's start. 15 rounds clockwise, 15 rounds and anti-clockwise. So we are starting with the right foot, right leg. Bend your right leg from knee. Bring it close to your knee, bring close to your chest, and then stretch your leg. 1, 2, pelvic area tucked in and chest breathing will continue. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and from here anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, very nice. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Your left foot must be active. 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax. Now from here we'll do it for the left leg. Your right foot must be active. Bend your left leg from knee. Bring your knee close to your chest area and then stretch your leg. 1, 2, 3, pelvic area tucked in. Breathing from chest will continue. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax. From here, anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very nice. Keep doing it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 rounds more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax. Stretch your toes. Forward and backward movement. Now for both the feet, we'll start together. Bend your both the feet from knee. Bring them next to your, close to your chest, and then together we'll do cycling. 1, 2, very nice. Let's start together. Bend your both the legs from knee. Bring them next, close to your chest area. Then stretch your feet. 1, very nice. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Your both the feet and knees to be touching to each other. 7. Knees must be touching to each other. 8, 9. I can see many people's knees are not touching. Please touch your knees as well. 8, 9, 10. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Your knees must be touching to each other. Your knees should not be apart like this. They must be touching to each other. 9, 10, and relax. From here, we'll go to anti-clockwise, 30 rounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4. The way your feet are touching to each other, in the same way your knees also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Take 3 natural breathings. This set of asanas, you will be able to know that how much stronger your legs are, because the entire practice we practiced on our legs only. So it is strengthening our leg muscles. Now from here, we'll go to the variation of the Vasishthasana. In that, turn to your left side, or you can turn to your right side also. You can see me, that is the reason I'm turning to left side. And from here, bend your left hand palm and rest on your left palm. While practicing this, your entire body must be in line. Okay, your toes must be extended to forward Very nice. Now from here, you can place your right palm just next to your navel. From here, we'll do stretch our legs like this. Okay. This asana is very good for the fat in the thighs area to reduce that fat also. Everyone can perform this asana. So let's start together. You guys are ready. Turn to your left or right side. I can see you. That is the reason I'm turning to left side. From here, rest on your left palm. Check your body once that whether it is in line or not and set accordingly. You would be resting on edge of your left or right side of your body. Stretch your toes, forward stretching of your toes. Place your right palm next to your navel. Now from here, pelvic area tucked in, breathing from chest will continue. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Very nice. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. While going up and down, only movement is on your right leg. There is no movement in other body parts, only to your right leg. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Feel the asana and go slowly and gently. We should not rush like this. Feel the posture and feel the movement in your leg muscles and process accordingly. We should not rushing for anything, so do not need to rush yourself. When we do the dynamic asana, I say that we'll do dynamic asana, but this asana you should feel your body movement, how your legs are moving, how your inhalation and exhalation is in line with. 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel the entire stretch. Self-counting will continue for 5 seconds. Feel the stretch on your buttock area, your lower back, your thigh. Feel that stretch. 8, 9, 10, and relax. Now same will repeat for the right or left side. So turn around. Then we'll repeat same for the next leg. Check your alignment. Your toes must be forward stretched. Your upper back leg must be on your lower back. You are lying on the edge of your right or left side of your body. Check your alignment, then we'll start together. Place your right or left palm next to your navel. Very nice. From here, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very nice. Keep doing it. 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. While going up also, your toe must be outstretched. It should not be like this. While going up also, your toes must be outstretched. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Lie down on your yoga mat on your back. Take 3 natural breathings and then have a look of the next asana. In the same posture, again, you are resting on your left palm. Your body is in one line. Just check your alignment. Now from here, we'll bend our, as I'm turning to left side, you also turn to left side when you will perform this asana. So we'll be in line with. From here, we'll bend our right leg and we'll place it to your in front of your thigh. Okay. And from here again your palm must be next to your navel area, and then we'll rise our feet. Okay, like this. 1, 2, as much as you can do. 3. Okay, so let's start together. Lie down in this posture. Very nice. Now from here, place your right foot in front of your left thigh. Very nice. Place your right palm next to your navel. Pelvic area tucked in. Breathing from chest will continue. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rise as fast as you can. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Only your movement is happening to your left leg. Your entire body is still. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very nice. 8, 9, 10, and relax. Now we'll do same for the right side. Turn to your right side. Rest on your right palm. Your head must be resting to your right palm. Check your body alignment. It must be in one line. Very nice. Bring your left leg, left foot towards your near to your thigh, right thigh. Place your palm next to your chest, right palm next to your chest, next to your navel. Pelvic area tucked in. Breathing from chest will continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only movement is happening to your right leg. Remaining body is still. 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 seconds more. 1, 2, very nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Lie down on your mat, on your back. Stretch your legs. Your palms are just next to your body. Take 3 natural breathings. Shoulder length distance between your feet. Your feet are tilted in relaxing position. Now from here we'll start the abdominal breathing. In the abdominal breathing, press your right palm on your stomach and left palm on your chest. Now from here we'll breathe from the abdominal. By inhalation, your entire stomach will expand like this. It will get expanded. Feel that air is filled up in your stomach, and while exhalation it will get shrink. There would be no movement for your left palm. It will be as is because you are breathing from your navel, from your abdominal. You have to assume that you are breathing from the navel. So by inhalation your stomach will get expand, and while exhalation it will get shrink. Okay, so let's start together. Place your right palm on your stomach, left palm on your chest. Close your eyes slowly and gently. Inhale, expand your stomach. Exhale, and your stomach will relax. Inhale, be aware about your breathing. See that when you inhale, how your stomach is processing. Observe all these things. Exhale. Feel the movement of the exhalation, inhalation while practicing the pranayama. You should be aware about your breathing, that when you inhale, where this air goes, how this process, feel entire process. Exhale. With closed eyes, try to look your breathing. Inhale. The stomach will expand. Exhale. The stomach will shrink. Now we'll hold our breathing for 5 seconds and then 10 seconds. Inhale. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Hold for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. Hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. Hold for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale. Hold for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale. Your stomach will expand. Hold for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale. Hold for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale, 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Take normal breathing. Your eyes will remain closed. Natural breathing will continue. While inhalation and exhalation, just observe your body. You can place your palms next to your body, palms facing upside, the sky or the roof. Keep taking natural breathings and observe your body. Inhale. Feel the positive effect of today's yoga practice in your body, especially on your lower back, body's lower part, from head to toe. Exhale. If during the practice you felt any pain, let it go out through exhalation. Natural breathing will continue. Eyes will remain closed. Inhale. With closed eyes, scan your body parts and see where you felt the positive effect of today's yoga practice. Closed eyes, look at your each body part from hip to toe. Exhale and relax yourself. Inhale. With the closed eye, observe how you are feeling after yoga session. Make the notes mentally and feel the difference. Note down those differences, that how differently you are feeling. Exhale and relax yourself. Take one natural breathing and we'll continue with the Om chanting and the Shanti part. Inhale. 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 We make an intention that all human beings rest in peace. They keep loving each other and keep spreading love to each being. There would be no worries, no disabilities. With this intention, we'll do the Shanti part. Inhale. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Rub your both the palms. Place it on your eyes, on your face. Beneath your palms, open your eyes slowly and gently. Take turn to your right side. Take one breath in Take a support of your left palm and sit on your yoga mats. Thank you everyone. Have a beautiful day.